What's up people, this is Vikram Shrestha here. Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel, the ROVER blog. So in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing and taking a look at the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, and also I'll show you what comes in the box. So let's get into it. DJI Osmo Mobile 3 smartphone gimbal carries over most of the features from the previous Osmo Mobile model with many improvements. And the good thing is, its foldable design allows you to take Osmo Mobile 3 anywhere with its weight of only 405 grams. It's portable, light, and perfectly fits backpack for your next adventure. Now it's controlled with the DJI Mimo App for iOS or Android. It supports larger smartphone features, a new sport mode, utilize and gesture control, and body shape recognition, and it's now support Bluetooth 5.0. So guys, I don't want this video to be long and boring, so I have unboxed the box already. And guys, these are the accessories I have got inside the box. And now let me go a bit deeper into the accessories what we have here. The first thing I have got here is the quick start guideline book, and if you guys are not so familiar with this stuff, then you can learn something from here. And the second thing we have got here is handheld wrist strap, safe line for gimbal and camera safety. And the third thing we have got here is charging cable USB Type-C. And the fourth one we have got here is the soft grey pouch to carry the gimbal. And the final one is the one and only gimbal itself. It's really small in size and comfortable to carry in hand. As you guys can see here, they have also given the quick guideline on its back. This is the joystick button here, which helps to control the camera and gimbal movements. On the right side, you will see the USB Type-C charging port. In the same place, you will also find USB-A port where you can charge your phone easily. When you come on the left hand side, you will find the zoom slider. And this is the place where you can fix the tripod. And this is the most important part of gimbal, where you guys mount your phone. And guys, now I'm going to show you how I mount my phone on the gimbal. So there is one more thing I want to tell you guys. To use the gimbal, you need to download the DJI Mimo app first. When you download the app, all you have to do is connect your phone with the gimbal and you are ready to go without any hesitation. I have already activated my gimbal with my phone, so it is just for your information guys. I hope it's gonna help for you. To power up the gimbal, press M button until the green lights turn on. If you guys have any confusion, please check the description and let me know in the comments.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Guys, Can you do me a favor please? If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribe and feel free to leave the comments. I will be appreciated that guys. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. See you. Take care.